Hey guys, here's panel C out of the restaurant that I'm doing, and you guys probably recognize this from another video, but this whole thing was just a total disaster. A lot of shared neutrals on the same phase, causing a lot of different problems. But decided to go ahead and get in here and get this thing replaced. I mean, it's an old FPE panel, and that just speaks for itself. So it's time to replace it. Just a little bit better shot there. I wanted to show you how they've got doubled up circuits underneath these breakers here. That's actually a 20 amp 2-pole breaker feeding some compressor units. I opened up the wall there, figure out what I was going to have to do as far as framing and whatever else to put the new panel in, and see how many pipes were coming out of the top. And I'm going to tell you what, right now these were a bitch to get back in. Just a little bit, another shot here of that overloaded feeder there, and it could have been a loose connection. I'll be honest with you, I don't know. Somebody wrote in and said it could be a loose connection. All I know is when I tried to go take it out, I couldn't get it out of there. I had to cut the sumbitch out with my cable cutters. Okay. Loose wires all over the place in here, unused wires. This conduit didn't even do anything. It was just cut off right back down into there. But every single one of these neutrals, not that there's a lot of them there, were all loose. You got your ground wires sharing the neutral bar, which you can't do on a sub panel. Doubled up wires on the breakers. The whole thing was just a total disaster. So I went ahead and got it all put back in, and I set it up so that that feeder came in off the side here. Now these feeders are getting replaced all the way back once I change out the service, and I went ahead and just cut this lead a little bit short and got it in there. It's not tight by any means, but you know, I wish it would have came in a little bit more like that, so there's less bend and less stress on that wire. But this whole feeder is getting all replaced, and went ahead and separated the ground bars and the neutrals and got it all put back in. Over here I've got my panel schedule that I created while I was taking it apart, and this was this area here. I know you can't really see it, but this was the existing and this was the new, and a lot of these breakers were sharing the same phase with on a 3-wire system, 3-wire circuit. There was a lot of wires that were on the A phase when it should have been on the A and the B phase. So now I'm kind of running through this stuff real quick, but you know, you kind of get the gist of it. When you go and you change a panel out like this, you got to know where the neutrals are going. You got to know what the circuits are, and it takes time to trace out. And that's what I've been doing over the last few weeks, is trying to get everything up in the attics and all the branch circuits, getting everything all straightened out. When you get into this kind of stuff, it takes a little bit of forethought and planning. Once again, the restaurant is an up and running restaurant. I've only got one day to change each one of these panels out. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not. Actually, that other panel took me a lot less time than this one. That was a real bitch getting all those conduits back in up top there, but got her up and running. So there you go. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.